In this video, I'm going to show you how to make songs with Suno AI. So this is the Suno AI interface, right? I've used this tool for over a while right now. I used the free tier for like 2 months before upgrading. There are two plans you can actually upgrade to. I'm currently on the pro plan and there's the premier plan, right? For me, I've not had need to upgrade to the premier plan because the pro plan has been quite sufficient, right? For you, you might want to upgrade to the premier plan depending on your needs. Like the only thing I think here you cannot do with the pro plan is use the studio. Like when I click on the studio, for instance, you'll see they'll say premier plan. So they want me to upgrade to the premier plan in order to use the tool, which I don't think I'll be doing. If you're here and you want to use the tool and maybe you find it a bit confusing, let me just explain the interface. This is the interface, this is home. So apparently you can just enter a description here and create a music, but I've never used this before. I usually just click on create and go there to create my music. But before I do that, maybe what you just want to do is explore, just read up whatever you see here and then continue. Now, this is the home as you can see here already. This is explore. All right, so when you click on explore, basically these are stuff made by other people or some other things you can actually use. Rather, I've never really used this to be honest. I hardly even come onto this place, but I think you can actually explore things here if you want. These are songs, I guess, that you could play and all that. So this is create. This is where I usually go to straight from home down to create. I just come down to create here. Now on create, as you can see, there's a simple tab, there's the advanced, and there's sound. So with Suno Music, you can create instrumentals and songs, like songs with lyrics and beats. Then you can just create instrumentals if you want. By this left side, you see there's simple. So simple here just says that you enter a description, like a song description, just describe something. And here you can click if it's just instrumental you want. If I click on this, you see it's checked, right? So if I should enter my description now and click on create here, it will generate an instrumental for me. But in a case where you don't want that, you can just generate song. Now for me, what I usually do, I come to this advanced here because it allows me some flexibilities. So I enter my lyrics here and then my styles, then the title of the song I want to generate, and click on the generate button. I'm going to do this in a short while just after I'm done explaining some of these things here. This is sounds. So for sounds, as you can see, it says create short samples, effect, loops, and one shot ready to drop into anything. If you're familiar with some of these musical terms, you want to create effect, loops, or any of that actually, you can just go ahead and do that using this particular feature. Never used it before, to be honest. What I usually just do is here on the advanced. Here you see we have different tabs. We have audio, we have voice, we have inspo. So generally, Suno is a great tool. I do have my reservations though, but I can say it's a tool that you can use to generate perhaps birthday songs, wedding songs, or any other music. Maybe you want to generate songs for your loved one, anniversary song or a birthday song, any kind of song at all. Or maybe you want to create an AI music personnel. You can actually do that with Suno AI. And from my experience, I can tell that it's not a bad tool. It's a tool you can use to achieve whatever it is you want to achieve. All right. So here we have the audio. Now, if you click on this audio, you have an option to browse, upload, or record. So what happens basically is that here you can just browse a sound, like an audio that you want to use, or upload or record. Usually I just record and make some freestyles. So let's say I click on record. When you click on record, for instance, you're going to see your system is going to prompt you with this screen. You give the permissions, allow this time. I usually just allow this time. And then if I click on this now, it will start recording. As you can see, it's recording already. So usually what I notice is that once the recording is above 3 minutes or so, you start having issues with uploading it. So I usually leave it around 1 minute to 2 minutes so it does not fail while uploading. Then once you're done, you can just pause it So it's currently uploading, but I don't want that. So I'm just going to cancel this and upload a sound like a song so that you see how it works. Let's record again. We all need each other. Oh, nobody got it all figured out. We all need each other. My brother, my sister. Let's come together and create a world we all enjoy. No one has it all figured out. So come on. Okay, so I've stopped the recording. I just recorded a short music clip and let's see how that goes. I'll show you how it works once it's done uploading. Alright, so it's done uploading. As you can see here, it says uploaded. So what you want to do after that is click on any of this if you have need for it, full song, voice. I've never really done any of this, to be honest. I just click on continue. It generates a star prompt for me and the lyrics. So this is the star prompt. It says a cappella, soul, and gospel. A single male baritone voice performs lead vocals with occasional self harmonization and layered backing vocals. So that's just it. I'm just going to click on continue. Now it's uploaded, right? So you have the lyrics here. This is the lyrics of what I sang. Okay. Now this is the a cappella prompt that was written earlier that I showed you. So we could just here click on create and it will create. But what I want to do is, or what I like to do rather is, I usually just come click here and then click on sample. Now you can make a cover, you can make a mashup, you can sample the song, you can inspo and all that. But so I just click on sample and then you drag this here. Okay, it's already look. So usually it might be something like this. So you drag to the point where you want to sample. So I usually just drag it to the end and then come here and enter the title of the song. So you click on create. These are songs I've already generated in the past, right? So once you click on create here, you would see your music generating here. It should appear here anytime soon. It might take a while to generate depending on your network strength. Okay, so the music has been generated. We have two different versions. We have I Need You 0.41 seconds. We have I Need You 2 minutes 23 seconds. Right before I play the song, I want to show you something. So as you can see here, we have 5.5, which is like the version. So one thing you want to do before you generate your song is, depending on the version you want, naturally I just allow you to use the latest version, which is 5.5, but you can change it if you want. I really do not see the difference. Okay, that's one thing. So for the free versions you can use, I think I was using the version 4 for the free version. Don't know if they've changed that. Actually, it was even the version 4.5, right? Say best for free model. Yeah, okay, so yeah, this is it. I personally can't really even tell the difference because I've used the free and I've used the pro plan, and I really don't know what the difference is. That's one of my reservations about the two, to be honest. You just select the one you want and then you move on. So let me just play the song and let's see. We all need each other. Nobody get it all figured out. Dun, dun, dun. We all need each other. Dun, dun, dun. My brother, my sister. Dun, 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 dun. Let's come. I mean, I know you're enjoying the song, but as you can see, the music is cool, right? Let me play this other one. We all need each other. Dun, 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 dun. No, nobody got it all figured out. Okay, so that's it actually. You can try it from your end and tell me what you think. But that's basically how it works. You just generate the music, but you can only use these audio and voice features if you're in the pro or premier plan. The free plan does not allow you to do this. With the free plan, you just enter your lyrics and the style prompt, and that's it. So I've used the voice feature, right? And I can't really say it was nice. I didn't find it fulfilling in the sense that it didn't sound like my voice even after recording my voice. But I like this audio. This is like the best for me here on this particular tool. It just allows me upload a song and then it plays the song based on the tune. Once I sample, it plays the song based on the tune I have provided. So I just like it for that. And one thing also I don't really understand about the tool, I think is one of the reservations I have, is that sometimes it sounds the same generally. Like you can literally hear another song from a different person and you know, wait, this is Suno music or something. No, it's just sounding AI, like everything just sounds the same. But I think if you're able to engineer your prompting well, it should give you some difference. But try it out and let me know what you think. So one other thing you can do is, let me just take this out, right, and clean this up. So let's assume I just have a lyrics and the style prompts. So I've prepared one already that we can use. So this is the lyrics to a song I wrote. I'm just gonna copy this, paste it here where they say lyrics, and then copy the style prompt and paste as well. Then change this. So I'm going to just click on create now and it will create this other song for me. It's generating the song already. Alright, so the song is done generating. Alright, we have two versions like we had earlier. I'm just gonna play this quickly and see.
Some people smile like they have it together, like they never break, like they never stay awake at night.
Alright, let's play the other version. I'm sorry if you're enjoying the song, but I have to save time.
Some people smile like they have it together, like they never break.
So that's it, guys. Actually, this is amazing because imagine in few minutes or seconds you generate a full song that will usually take a music artist months or even years to produce. So I mean, it's really amazing. All right, so you can actually try it out. Something you can do here is, once you're done, you just come here, you download MP3 audio. You can download the MP3 formats, right? Wave format, but this is for pro. Of course, if I click this, I can download it. You can get the steams, you can get the video. It works for me also. I can do any of this, but if you're on the free version, you can only download MP3 audio and you cannot use it for commercial purposes. Otherwise, you might have copyright issues. Okay. But aside that, you can also publish this on the Suno platform. I usually don't publish mine. Maybe just publish two, or just for testing purpose. You can share, copy link, or share to. You can manage. You can, do any of this here. Never really actually use this. Just discovering that I could actually do this. But that's it, guys. You can do a lot with this too. Try it out and let me know what you think. If there's any other thing you want me to explain specifically on Suno Music, you just let me know on the comment section and I'll explain it, all right? Or I can even make a video for it, right? Just to explain it right here on this left side menu. This is Explore, as I explained before. This is Studio. You can't use this if you're on the Pro plan. This is Library. This is where you see all the stuff that you've done. These are all the songs I've generated in the past. You can check your playlist if you have any, or you can create a playlist, workspace, any of that. Just try it out and let me know what you think. These are hooks, short videos with sounds you can explore if you want to. I never actually use this, to be honest.
Damn, why you not answer? Not tryna bother you, just tryna see if you good. I miss. It was many and many a year ago in the kingdom by.
So that is it, guys. Generating AI music with Suno. Go ahead and try it out. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, consider subscribing, like, and share as well. Thank you.